This demonstration is designed to show you how to create a balance sheet and use a balance sheet in QuickBooks Accountant. To access the balance sheet report, we first need to open Larry's Landscape and Garden Supply, select the reports icon, then select the Standard tab, Company and Financial, and select the List View. The List View is located right here. As we scroll down, we'll identify the Balance Sheet and Net Worth section, and we'll get to the Balance Sheet Standard section located right here. We'll double-click that to generate our Balance Sheet Standard. The balance sheet you see in front of you includes columns representing the total only. That total only consolidates all the data in one series of listings as of December 15th, 2014. Instead, we wanted to see monthly views of what the balance sheet looked like as of October 31st, November 30th, and December 15th. We would select the month section here under the columns option. If instead we wanted to select a summary balance sheet, we would have to close the other report, go back through the process of clicking the reports icon and selecting Company Financial in the balance sheet and net worth section and selecting summary balance sheet instead. What you see here is the summary balance sheet, which includes a much more collapsed version of the balance sheet. From the summary balance sheet or the other balance sheet we created, the more detailed one before, we can also drill down into the detail. In this particular case, you can see we've highlighted accounts receivable on the balance sheet. That highlighted $35,810 with the two little triangles on each side of it represent that data we can select and drill down. If we double click this $35,810, we can find out what created that $35,810 balance. As you can see here, the transactions by account report lists all of those events that encapsulated and came up with and subtotaled to that 4306 balance. If we wanted to look at the underlying invoice transaction, we could double click 65, or if we wanted to in particular look at a customer payment, for example, check 6503, we would double click that section right here. Let's take a look at what happens when we double click 65. Up pops the invoice number 65 made to Jasmine Park and all the specific items that generated that invoice. When we double click the 6503 on that summary balance sheet, it would take us to this customer payment, which provides detail as to why that amount caused accounts receivable to go down and cash to go up. This ends this demonstration.